this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. For aloo chokha or mashed potato salad, following are the ingredients. I have taken few potatoes, boiled it. I've peeled the skin and now I'm going to mash it. I'm using a fork to do this. Next, I've taken cilantro, butter, onions, salt to taste, chili powder and cumin powder. After mashing the potato, I will be adding all the ingredients. And you can see now that my aloo chokha or mashed potato salad is ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe.